Hello guys, welcome to Sim Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to get a lot of views on your Instagram Reels. So without wasting my time, let's go to our browser. First, you have to search for SEMboost, this platform, semboost.org. So when you open the platform is a social media panel that provide a lot of engagement to every social media in this world. So if you want to get your Instagram views, then this platform is good for you. So after opening the platform, you have to scroll down. You can click on the discover more, or you can scroll down to their services. Okay, so when you get to their services, you click on the Instagram services, and with their Instagram packages, they have Instagram followers, Instagram likes, Instagram video views. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the views. So you click on the Instagram video views. Okay, so this platform has the cheapest prices I've ever seen. To get 1,000 views on your Instagram Reels, you pay just $3, which is very cheap on the market. So if you want to get 2,000 views on your Instagram post, you pay $6. If you want to get 3,000 views, you pay $9. And if you want to get 4,000 views, you pay $12, and it keeps increasing. Okay, so let's focus on how to get the Instagram views. Okay, so first you click on the purchase now. If you want to get the 1,000 views, you click on the purchase now. Then you enter your name and your email address. Then you enter the Instagram video link. So I'll go back to my Instagram accounts and opening some videos. Okay, let me check my Instagram. Okay, so I have this videos. Okay, let me. So you click on the share, then you click on copy link. Then you copy the link of the video you want to go. So after that, you come back to the platform, then you paste the link of the post you copied. Then you click on the next button. So the price for the 1,000 views, the 1,000 Instagram views, is just $3, which is very cheap. So you select your payment method. Okay, with the payment method, they have Perfect Money, Mobile Money, Crypto Pay, Binance, PayPal. So whatever you want to use, you just choose and make your payment. So let's say I want to use Crypto Pay. I'll click on the Crypto Pay. And with the Crypto Pay, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. So the one I prefer, I'll just select and make my payment. And after payment, I'll take a screenshot and add a screenshot here. So let me choose USDT. I've copied the USDT address, so let me go to my Trust wallet. Okay, so when I'm done with the payment, I will take a screenshot and come to the platform. Then I'll click on the choose file and I upload the screenshot I took. After that, I'll click on order. Okay, so the order has been placed successfully. Thank you for choosing SEMboost. So this is how you can get a lot of Instagram views on your post. With as cheap as $3, you can get 1,000 Instagram views. It's very cheap. So if you want to explore more of their services, you can go back and choose anyone you want to get. So if you want to get like Instagram followers or YouTube subscribers, thread, TikTok followers, Twitter, lot. You just use this platform to get whatever you want, and your social media will skyrocket. So if this video helps you to get a lot of Instagram views, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.